Okay, here we go. I'm gonna show you some great lightnings. Here, as you can see here, we are waiting for some great lightnings. We have to wait to see one of them. It's actually raining cats and dogs outside. Well, I think the sky doesn't want to give us a lightning. Yeah, there we go. One. Wow. Now you can hear the horrible sound. Just now I was hearing a lot of lightning sounds and I don't know. I think the lightnings has been finished. Wow, a great one. Yes. Yeah. I think you saw a great one now. Hear the sounds come. I am waiting for a very big one. This place down there is called Summer Lagoon. It's actually a pool for swimming and surfing and this stuff. Please sky, give us a lightning, huge one. There we go. Yes. I'm kind of scared now.